Have you been staring at me this whole time? Guilty. Great. Seriously though. Go home. Get some rest. Oh, am I kidding? I've been working for 14 hours straight. If I work another second, I might die. But don't forget your keys. I never do. Well, good. Wouldn't want you to run into the locksmith's wife. The locksmith's wife? Don't tell me you've never heard of the locksmith's wife. Have you ever, seen an abandoned car, a big old empty parking garage or parking lot and thought, what's that all about? Of course. We live in LA, so like, all the time. The locksmith was an abusive man that, never let his wife have any friends. And when that aggressive, abusive soul was set to meet his end, locksmith's wife prayed that the lower extent of death was something that she didn't understand. She tried to be cordial, but nobody would be her company, not even her closest of kin. But on the darkest night, a roaring wind, she started committing acts that the devil himself would not commit. And what are these acts, Johnny boy? If you lose or can't find your keys, she'll find you. And she'll find your keys. And she'll offer you your keys in your trunk. You'll go for them. And when you do, she'll get you. She'll grab you and throw you in the trunk and trap you in there with your keys and live there with you for all of eternity. Oh my God. Yeah, and you know, people will notice the car, but they won't think anything of it. They'll just think, wow, there's just another abandoned car. Has anyone ever told you should be a novelist or a screenwriter? You know, you're the third person to tell me that. I better get going. Seriously though, get your keys, right? John, hey. I just don't want you to end up as one of those abandoned cars in the parking lot. Ain't nobody putting me in the trunk of anyone's car. John? Must be delirious. Hope I can drive home. everything okay? I didn't mean to frighten you. Oh, no, it's okay. It's just kind of creepy out and tired. A little jumpy. Oh, how sweet. Is everything okay here? Did you forget your keys? I'm sorry? Or lose them? Oh, my keys? No, I have my keys. I definitely have my keys. But thank you for asking. That's really sweet of you to ask. Are you sure? I can help you out if you've in fact
Forgotten them? You see, my husband is a locksmith.
Well, I definitely have my keys.
Okay. Well, you have a good night, I guess.
Thanks. You too.
I knew you didn't have keys! Everything okay over there?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Rebecca, leave a message.
Do anything. Shut up, you stupid bitch!